Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store if it's not downloading any app, right? Especially on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your date and time right here. Right click on it and click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically is toggled on. Okay. And then once all of these are toggled on, scroll down and click on sync now. And then just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now then go ahead and test it out. Open up Microsoft Store, try to download, and it should work now. If that still won't work, close Microsoft Store. Start right here, right click on it. Click on installed apps. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay, all the way down. And you will find system components. So just click on it. Find Microsoft Store, click on the three dots, advanced options, and then scroll down and find Terminate. Click on it and then click on repair. Wait for the process to finish and then go ahead and test it out. Okay. If that still won't work, again, terminate and then reset. Reset. Wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, open up Microsoft Store. And just to log in if it's asked you to log in. And then just go ahead and download any game. And you should be good to go. That is how you fix Microsoft Store if it's not downloading apps in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.